Good afternoon. So we are here again, and we believe this is a moral duty for us as priests and religious. So ang usapin po ay hindi lamang political, hindi po kami mga politicians. We believe there is a moral concern, and kaya nandito po kami muli. And we pray that Congress impeach forthwith Vice President Sara Duterte for the cause of truth, even due process. This is the time for her to present her evidences. No, hindi niya sinagot yung maraming tanong. This is an occasion for her to answer all the accusations. Kaya magandang space po ito, forum for her to defend even herself. But we believe, for the cause of justice, accountability, she has to answer and be rightly judged by our representatives and senators. Maraming pong salamat.
Name niyo po. Father,
may question lang. Father, yung impeachment is usually a political exercise, di ba? So, we notice maraming church people here. Anong cause ng church? I mean,
Yeah, that's why we say we are Filipinos. We are obedient also to the Constitution. So, and this is a moral concern, no? So, and that's why we are here.
are you convicted?
We are saying to our kids, to our children, it's not right to steal, it's not right to lie, magnakaw, at magsinungaling.
Ano ito pong impeachment complaint na ito? Paano kayo sigurado na hindi matutulad dun sa first impeachment against Baby Sara?
Wala po ako. Pinapasa-Diyos na lang po namin ang iba na yan. But we will work. No? We will work and we'll be here to represent not only ourselves but sectors behind us. We are not only Catholics, we are also Protestant. We have Protestants, pastor, evangelicals with us. Thank you.
Kami po naninindigan na sa paniniwala po namin na oportunidad dito ng pangalawang Pangulo para sumagot sa mga katanungan na hindi nasagot. At sinasabi po niya noong una na hindi daw po siya nabigyan ng pagkakataon. At ngayon po ay binibigyan siya ng pagkakataon na itong impeachment na ito ay isang legal na pamamaraan na nakabatay sa konstitusyon. Kaya kami ay narito ay nagpa-file para gamitin ang oportunidad para siya magsalita, magpaliwanag, ilabas yung ebidensya niya. At ang aming pong mga abogado ay sila naman po ay nakahanda upang ilatag naman po ang aming pong mga pananaw, ang aming pong mga ebidensya laban po sa pangalawang Pangulo. At para base po sa amin, meron pong substance and form. Sinunod po namin lahat ng ito at ipinapabay na po namin sa pamunuan po ito ng Kongreso. Maraming pong salamat.